Hey everyone, this is Jordan with Robert Crist and Company RV, and today we're taking a tour of this brand new 2026 Highland Ridge Range Lite 241BH. It's a family-friendly bunkhouse travel trailer that's light on weight but loaded with features. If you've been dreaming about upgrading your adventure setup, this just might be the one. This trailer is made for convenience and comfort. Right here in the front, we have a huge storage compartment. The roof is fully accessible and walkable. Up here on the top, we have a rear doorway camera, and this right here is where the ladder will connect to get up on the roof. Spare tire, and it has an enclosed and fully heated underbelly. And back to the roof, it has a rugged PVC membrane, so it's built to last. And with that being said, it's prepped for adventure with Highland Ridge's Xtend Solar One package. That's a 200-watt solar panel already installed, plus a 30-amp controller so you can boondock like a pro. You also get this awesome outdoor kitchen right here with a quick connect for your propane so you can easily hook up, because again, this is where the real magic happens right here, guys. Don't forget about your storage and your fridge. Oh, there's an outlet right there too. That's convenient, and some lighting. Inside, you'll notice how open and spacious it feels thanks to the residential style slide. Up front, you got a private queen bedroom with sliding doors, perfect for a little peace and quiet at night. And in the back corner, you'll find double over double bunk beds, big enough for kids, guests, or even your gear. And with this huge pantry next to the kitchen, you've got all the room for snacks to keep everyone happy. The kitchen gives you everything you need: a 3-burner stove, a 17-inch oven, microwave, deep sink, and tons of cabinet space. This U-shaped dinette right here comfortably fits all of your guests and convert into an extra sleeping area if needed. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning a cross-country adventure, this 2026 Highland Ridge Range Lite 241BH is built to handle it all.
Oh, and I almost forgot to mention the bathroom. Look at this beautiful bathroom. It's full size, so you don't have to worry about being limited on room, plenty of storage, and a beautiful sink and countertop.
I just went over the basics of this unit, but if you want to see more, give us a call or visit us at Robert Crist and Company RV in Mesa, Arizona.